A Dexa scan provides a far more accurate way to determine resting metabolic rate than standard weight-based formulas like the one used in our consultations. This accuracy is crucial when planning fat loss or muscle gain. Take, for example, a woman who is overweight but has lower than average muscle mass. Standard formulas, which estimate calorie burn based solely on weight, assume more of her weight is muscle when, in reality, much of it is fat. Since fat burns fewer calories than muscle, these formulas overestimate her metabolic rate. Based on a weight-based formula, her resting calorie burn is estimated at 1,229, and with a light activity level, her maintenance calories come to 1,690. This means she would be advised to eat just under 1,700 calories daily to maintain her weight. However, because she had a Dexa scan, we can see exactly how much of her body is lean mass versus fat. Using a lean mass-driven formula, we find that her true resting calorie burn is 1,040, and her real maintenance calories are just 1,430. The impact of this difference is significant. If she follows the weight-based formula and eats at what she believes is a 260 calorie deficit per day, she would expect to lose about a kilogram of fat per month. But since her actual maintenance level is lower, she would unknowingly be eating at maintenance instead of a deficit, meaning her weight would remain unchanged month after month. For those with higher muscle mass, the opposite occurs. They end up in a larger calorie deficit than expected, which helps accelerate fat loss. This is why a Dexa scan is the most reliable tool for creating an effective fat loss or muscle building plan. However, it's important to note that the bigger the calorie deficit, the more muscle you will lose. Similarly, if you are aiming to gain muscle, the surplus you think you are in might not be a surplus at all. This means muscle gain will take longer and be far more challenging than expected. Before I wrap up, I want to leave you with a simple yet powerful tip for both fat loss and muscle building. If your goal is to lose fat, your focus should be on your diet. While exercise does contribute to your overall calorie deficit, it does not make as much of a difference as people often think. Fat loss is primarily driven by how much or how little you consume. On the other hand, when it comes to muscle building, your main focus should be on your resistance training program. The biggest reason people struggle to gain muscle is not their diet, it's their training intensity. Many do not train hard enough, frequently enough, or for long enough. They do not complete enough sets or reps, and they fail to progressively lift heavier weights over time. To see real muscle growth, you need to push your body beyond its current limits.